Got some tilapia here. Season it up. Got a few pieces. I'm gonna throw some seasoning on there. After we season them up, go to the side. Trusty Ziploc. Fish. I'll do about 2 at a time. With some avocado oil. Slide it in there. What's going on, family? Hey, listen, this is my first attempt at making air fried fish. It's my first try. Now we gotta do a little taste test. I want y'all to look at this stuff. Come look at this. Man, very nice, flaky. Green. Man, one thing will make this official. Hold on one second. One thing is gonna make this official. Look at it. Still steaming. You still see the steam. Got to have it raised. It ain't fried fish until you throw the red on there. Yeah. Man, I'm about to be in business here in a minute. Y'all heard that. Gotta get the ginger ale. You know? Pour some ginger ale. Listen. This right here. Look at that. It's fried in the air fryer. Love me some okra. Okra, man. Some tomatoes. I like the fact the air fryer is healthier too. I let the family try it. And we noticed you don't have to season as much in the air fryer. It's easy to over season because you don't have the oil to drown out the actual flavor of the food. So, you know, don't be so heavy-handed with the seasoning with the air fryer. This came out amazing. And it's so simple. Season it, bread it. I use avocado oil. Season that thing, bread it up. Set it in there for about 10-15 minutes. Just press fish. Press fish, let it go. Sometime through. Flip it over, hit it again with some more oil, you're good. I can master this air fryer. I can master this. Man, this thing is fire. Give me some more okra. Y'all like that okra, man? Nice complex flavors in there. Hey, y'all want some? This is tilapia. I don't even eat tilapia like that. This is one. I love vegetables, man. Big fan of veggies. Big fan of veggies. The flavor on that thing. Look at the red sitting on there. That red hot sauce just sitting on there. That flaky crust. Man, y'all need to try it. Y'all need to get an air fryer. It's healthier. You know, do it for your health. You know? But the flavor is not lacking. You ain't missing anything. You won't miss nothing. Nice meal. Take about 15 minutes. Put your veggies on while your fish is cooking in the air fryer. Good to go. Not much cleanup. Just gotta wipe the air fryer down. Pull it out, wipe it down. So your kitchen won't be tore up. You know? I definitely recommend getting the Power XL air fryer. I do. Man, look at that flakiness there. Somebody come look at this. You can tell the food is good, man. By a few things. If the food is good, it'll take the plate no time to get empty. Yeah, it's just falling apart. It's just falling apart. This is what you want. I ain't gotta wait on the grease to heat up. Ain't gotta worry about the house smelling like fish, fried fish. This is it right here. Let's go proof now. Bonito. It's a nice tall glass of ginger ale, and you in the game. Appreciate y'all going on the air fryer journey with me. I mean, the fish was amazing. It was crispy. It was definitely not lacking flavor. You have to be very, very careful that you don't over season it. I'm not used to air fryer, so I was right on the borderline where it could have been a little bit more seasoning than it would have went left. So I kind of, had that in mind as I was seasoning it, not too much. But overall, man, I'm an advocate. I'm an advocate for air frying. I'm gonna be doing a lot more air fried dishes. Okay, I got a little air frying cookbook. The Power XL, that thing is on point. The air fryer is on point. We're gonna wrap it up. Appreciate y'all.